Hey, I'm so happy to present you this next monthly update on Clickly. And Clickly is a visual development tool for mobile native applications where designers and developers can collaborate in order to create their apps. And last few months, a lot of work was done for data integrations, so-called data formulas, where users can integrate any kind of external and internal data sources, including HTTP API requests, transform the data, sort it, filter it, combine it with another data, and then present them in UI, bind it to some UI element. And in this case, you see a simple HTTP API request that gets a list of items, and this list is presented using flat list component. And also related to that, flat list, section list, virtualized list, these three React Native core UI components, which are data-driven, also were integrated. And in case of virtualized list and any other component, you see that any capability that this component gives in the code is exposed here in the visual way. So you can set header and footer and separator and whatever you want. That's one of the fundamental principles in Clickly. Whatever the developer can do in the code, Clickly allows you doing that in a visual way. That's one of the fundamental principles. And I'm happy that it works really well. And um, besides that, also continue working on integrating React Native paper components. It's around 80 pretty well done UI components that are implementing material UI design, which is more closer to Android or web, but it's a good set of components that allows you to have good UI out of the box, good design out of the box. So, and for each of those components, settings pane, this pane on the right, should be well designed in order to present good user experience. That's basically that. Besides that, there were other little small features that I don't need to mention it unless you are really into that. If you are, just ask me and I will show you them personally. And I'm thankful for and grateful for your interest to what I'm doing. And I'm glad to get any feedback that any ideas that you might got or any feedback, any reaction that you have, any thoughts. And thank you very much for your time and have a great day.